Hi guys, let's unbox this.
There's nothing inside. It's the invoice, and we have a black box this time. All this while we have blue box, but this time we have a black one. So let's just take off this bubble wrap. Okay, so I really like the black box. This is the first time that I got a black box. All this while is all blue in color, and wow, the box is intact. Okay, so let's just open the box. So as usual, we have the documentation. This is the warranty certificate from the shop, and this is the manual, watch manual, and the module number is 3294. And as usual, we have the watch information, settings, and so on. So but we are not going to discuss about that today. And this is the international warranty card. Okay, and just keep this aside for a while. And as you can see, there is the watch. Okay, this is the watch, and ta-da! This is the model number B640WD-1A VDF, and using the module number 3294. Okay, this is the original B640. You have a number of models for this watch. You have probably the gold one, you have the black one, the negative display, and so on, but this is the original one. Okay, so let's remove the plastic wrapping. This one, as you can see, I think okay, just remove the plastic protective sticker. Right, just stick it there for a while, and there we are. So I think they accidentally press the mode button here while transportation. Okay, and the time is not set. Okay, and let us proceed with the removal of the tag, which is something that I really don't enjoy to do it because it's a bit difficult to remove, but I think this time it will be easier. Removing the tag. All right, here we are. Just the tag. All right, this is the watch now. So we just go to the watch, and look at that. So this watch, this is the B640W, the ordinary model, not the negative display model. This is the normal one. And why I like this is that the first thing is actually because I got a very good price for this. I got it for about 21 USD. That will be about 100 Malaysian ringgit. And the thing is that I like about this watch is, the first thing is of course the price. The price is very affordable, about 21 USD. Secondly is the retro design of this watch. Now this is the 640 model. Now I have another one here, which is the 650, little bulky. Now most of the retro Casio watches are square in design. This one is square in design. We have another one like the A700, which is also square. But this one is a little bit special. As you can see, there's a curve on the case itself, on the bezel, over here and over here. It's something reminiscent of the 70s, something that when you wear this watch, it will remind you that this design is from the 70s. So I think the highlight of this watch is the design itself. Okay, even though the case is made of resin, but it's look like stainless steel. And if you look at over here, also the same things, a curve design left and right. Okay, and again, the size of this watch is versatile. My wrist size is only about 6.5 inches, and this watch will just look nice on my wrist. It's not too small, it's not too big. Okay, so and again, the case size is actually about 35 millimeter. The case size is about 35 millimeter. So this will fit both men and women, male and female. And the lug to lug size from here to here is about 38.9 millimeter, and the thickness is about 9.4 millimeters a bit. And the 650 is thicker a little bit. Okay, next one is the lug size. Probably the lug size is all standard for Casio watches. That will be 18 millimeter. And the bracelet is actually, even though maybe some people will not like it, but you can always change the bracelet. But for me, the bracelet is part of the retro look of the watch, so I wouldn't want to change it. This is the standard Casio stainless steel case back with the model number and module number stated on it. Okay, again, the next point that I would like to highlight is that this watch is future rich. That will be discussed later in this video. And of course, it has 50 meters water resistance, as you can see there. 50 meters water resistance. And some of the Casio watches has only about 30 meters water resistance, but this one is 50. And then if you look at the light, the LED light, the amber LED light is remarkable. It's very clear, and when you press on it, it will stay on for maybe for about 4 to 5 seconds. It also has a stopwatch feature and a timer feature and an alarm or hourly signal feature. It has a flash alert with buzzer when you set the alarm. So, but I don't have time to show it here, but maybe in another video we will have a look at that feature. But to me, this watch is packed with features, and it's a retro design. It has 50 meters water resistance and also very affordable. So that's why I bought this watch, and you should buy this watch too. And the other one is because of the size. It's very versatile. It can fit any wrist size. Even on my 6.5-inch wrist, it looks amazing. Let's have a look. 1, 2. So it's not too bad. Even on my 6.5 wrist, it's a tiny wrist. The watch seems to be okay. I mean, it's a versatile size. Not too big, not too small, just nice. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you for watching and see you again in my next video. Bye for now.